Hey there, I'm Chris Panek, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever wondered why most people fail at achieving their goals? We've been taught that failing is bad, and most of us will quit. But what if instead of quitting something that you really want in your life, you learn the skill of determination? When you learn what it means to be determined, you can keep going no matter what happens in your life. Are you ready to learn how you can develop your determination, stay in a determination mindset, and get better at not quitting? Let's dive in. When you really want to achieve something in your life, I believe that determination is one of the most important skills that you can develop to ensure your success. Over the years, I'm sure you've had goals that you wanted to accomplish, and when you look back on the ones that you were successful with, you more than likely utilized some sort of determination. When you think about the ones that you didn't accomplish, you gave up on, or you let go, you were lacking the determination that you needed to keep going. Have you ever looked at others who were accomplishing so much in their life and you wish you had that same sense of determination in your life? Well, determination is a skill that you can learn. It's a skill that many of the most successful people have developed, and it's what helps them reach the level of success that they're at. It's a strength that you can develop, even if you don't feel like you have much determination in your life right now. Determination is a positive emotion that you can generate that will allow you to follow through with every action that you take in your life. What do you think of when you think about a person with a lot of determination? Do you look up to them, or do you think negatively about them? Do you think that they have it easy, or do you think that they're consistently pushing through to reach their goals, even when they have situations that are holding them back, or they may have failed at an attempt to reach their goals? So many of these successful people work with a coach or a mentor so that they can see past any of these situations. They're able to learn from their mistakes, and they continue to be determined to achieve their goals. When you're working on your goals on your own, it can be hard to continue with your determination. But when you have someone holding you accountable, reminding you about why you want to achieve these goals in the first place, and helping you see that determination is exactly what's going to get you to your goals, it makes it harder to quit. When I work with my clients, we consistently talk about how the obstacles that they're encountering clarify the path that they need to take. It's part of the journey to achieving their goals. Those obstacles are helping them become the person who is successful and achieves their goals. There will be a lot of trial and error, and there will likely be many failures all along the way. And that's not a bad thing. Each of these failures is a chance for you to learn. It's a chance to keep trying even when things get difficult. So how do you develop the skill of determination? How can you make sure that you keep going even when things are difficult or you want to give up? It can actually be pretty simple. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.